What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me right here at DGens19 to automatically enter yourself to a giveaway that I'm going to be doing at 3,000 subscribers. I'm going to be giving away a red start stop button, an oil cap filler tool, or Tunai Firefly for Bluetooth in your car. If you're the lucky winner, I'll be able to message you through Instagram, so just do all that and you'll automatically enter. Today's a special video. We're gonna be fully detailing the car with my friend at PB Aesthetic, and he's gonna be doing a full detailed 3-stage process. And to top it all off, this video, or the next couple videos actually, are gonna be sponsored completely by Avalon King, a wonderful ceramic coating company that if you actually use my code 19, you'll save yourself 25 bucks off. Their products are not very expensive, they're very DIY friendly, which is why we're doing this 3-part process. The car has clearly seen better days. It's like, everything about it is just like, if you look, it's just super dirty. What's gonna be cool too, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove little rock chips like this that are starting to rust, a little bit about how to detail, how to bring a black car back to life. We're gonna really fix this car up today, and you could get your car detailed as well, even a simple lavage, like a full cleaning of your car, with my friend from PB Aesthetics as well as Avalon King. So keep that all in mind, and let's start this video. So to start the process, we're actually gonna start with a Dawn dish soap. We're gonna fully clean the car and get all the surface wax off the car completely, so that when we compound, polish, ceramic coat it, it's gonna do a better product in the end. So we want to start with a 2-bucket method. We want to make sure that both buckets are absolutely clean and that there's dirt catchers at the bottom of both, so that no dirt gets retransferred onto the paint. We start off by generously dosing the car in water just to get it fully soaked and everything. Secondly, then we're gonna move on to working our way from the top to the bottom of the car, from the roof down to the windows, down to the bottom of the car, and continue my cleaning process. Now, having finished already the paint, it already looks a whole lot better, but now you're able to see a whole bunch of little micro scratches, so we're gonna have to get rid of that. Now I guess we can move on to the wheels. So we're gonna do the same process, but this time we're gonna have a deep wheel brush that I'm gonna be able to slip in through the grooves of the mag here and get all around, and even get the caliper, so that could be also ready for the next process when we apply ceramic coating. Alright, so that's one done. It looks really clean. I made sure to go into the absolute smallest little areas. Now all we're gonna have to do is repeat this process onto the other 3 wheels. To the untrained eye, this is good enough. The car is clean, but for us car people, it just isn't enough, because there's a whole bunch of superficial scratches and also a couple deep scratches and those rust spots that I mentioned earlier. And doing that kind of stuff and fixing it on our own, it's kind of hard. So that's where the specialties of PB Aesthetic come in, and we'll go more into detail of that tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Piero, and I'm the owner of PB Aesthetics. I do detailing. It's been 10 years already. Everything from polishing, interiors, ceramic coating, we do it all. So don't be shy to hit us up. So yeah, the process of ceramic coating, the most important one is the preparation. So obviously you have to start by washing your car. You have to follow up with a decontamination. You could use an iron remover from Sonax. You have even Car Pro that has a very good one. Then you rinse. You put the product on the paint, and then you rinse. You're gonna see that when the product touches the particles on your paint, it turns purple. So after this, after the car is rinsed, you have to pass a clay bar to remove the contaminants that the product did remove. So you keep your car wet, and you should use a lubrication on it. at the same time, so it doesn't really scratch your paint. Oh, you see like all the water like that, it's a good sign.
So at this point, we really got to work, and so did I. I didn't know much about detailing, but I had an idea, so I gave him a hand, and honestly, right away, the product came out really nice. Everything was nice and sleek, and already we were showing some positive signs. So we were ready to move on.
So after that, you dry your car nice. You make sure that there's no water leaking, nothing.
So now we addressed the situation of all the rock chips, and there were many, like a lot. And I gave it to him, I left it to him in charge, because he pretty much does this a lot. We used Jenny color, or you could use OEM, BMW paint. This is what it looked like, and this is what it came out to. It's not the best, but it's definitely much better.
And then you follow up with a polish. The polish, you have to see the condition of your car. If your car is really hazy, that has scratches and stuff, I would recommend going with a 3-stage compound and polish. Or if your car is really just has a bit of swirls, I would recommend going for a 1-stage polish. The car, it's not really new, it's pretty old. So we even did a headlight restoration. So now you start with... we did some wet sanding with 1000 grit, 2000 grit, and 3000 grit. And then we follow up with the polish on the headlights, and at the end we coated the headlights as well.
So after having worked many countless hours, the day was finally slipping away from us. After having polished and compounded and taken care of all the little specks of the paint, the day was finally over, and we were going to continue tomorrow. After many hours of hard work and the whole compound and polish process and everything that we did to the car, trying to restore its 11 years of abuse, we've come up with, quite honestly, a really nice mirror finish, and the car is really looking up. Next up, Avalon King ceramic coating. Okay, so now we finally started the most important part. I find it's the part where I've been waiting for the longest out of this whole process. We're finally applying ceramic coating from Avalon King. So it's suggested that we do it in passes, overlapping passes, make a nice square pattern, crisscrossing, and we have to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes until we see some sort of like a rainbowy color. Yeah, so right now it's almost ready to come off, but yeah. Super excited.
Make sure everything is nice and tight. We open the bottle.
Alright, so this is the final product. This is a full detail and the ceramic coating by Avalon King. So far it came out really good. A lot of the deep scratches were fixed and a lot of the surface scratches were also fixed because the Avalon King, the ceramic coating, it kind of goes into the little micro scratches and covers them all up. The car looks much blacker. If you want my honest review, I'm gonna do it in about 2 weeks time from now so that I have enough time to understand the product, to test the beating effect and everything. So if you're interested, stay tuned for that. Also, if you are in the Montreal area and you want a full cleaning of your car, a detail like this or anything, hit up PB Aesthetics because he's gonna take care of you guys really well, like he took care of me here. Also, the giveaway, stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me right here at DJens19. You can also find my buddy Piero at PB Aesthetics right here on Instagram. So I want to say a big thank you to PB Aesthetics and Avalon King, especially for partnering with me on this video. Remember to drive what drives you, and I'll be catching you guys all in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.